Welcome everyone to this module. In this module, let us discuss about the introduction of fuzzy sets. Before going to study about fuzzy set, we have to know about what is crisp set. What is crisp set? A crisp set is nothing but a collection of well-defined objects. For example, the collection of all intelligent students in your class, those who got above 90% in all subjects. So here it is well defined because we know in this example who are intelligent, those who are getting 90%. So it is clearly a crisp set. So in the case of crisp set, a given object, the particular element x may be belonging to that set A or not belonging to that set A. So it can be described by the characteristic function chi A of x equal to 1 when x belongs to capital A, otherwise 0. So this is a way we express the characteristic function. Now let us move to fuzzy set. What is fuzzy set? A fuzzy set is nothing but it is defined as a set of all ordered pair x comma mu a of x such that small x belongs to capital X, where mu a of x is a function from capital X to closed interval 0 comma 1. It's called a membership function, and x is nothing but the universal set. For example, let us take x equal to a, b, c, d, e be the set of students in a class, and a is the fuzzy set of smartness of the students. So there are 5 students. Now we are going to check about their smartness. So a equal to, we are taken small a comma 0.2, small b comma 0, small c comma 1, small d comma 0.8, small e comma 0.5. So what is the meaning of this fuzzy set A? That means 20% of smartness having the student A. The student B have no, actually the student B doesn't have smart. So the student C 100% is smart. Student D having 80% smartness. Similarly, the student E having 50% smartness. So like this way, we can able to express those students with their smartness. So that is the advantage of the fuzzy concept. Okay. Next, let us see some basic terminology in fuzzy set. First, support of a fuzzy set. Support of a fuzzy set is nothing but a set small x belongs to capital X such that mu of x greater than 0. So that means what? Those element having the membership value greater than 0, that element will come to support of a fuzzy set. Okay. For example, A is a fuzzy set. A comma 0.2, B comma 0, C comma 1, D comma 0.8, E comma 0.5. Now what is support of fuzzy set A? Nothing but only small a, small c, small d and small e, because those 4 elements having membership value greater than 0 among 5 elements. Okay. Very important. Support of a fuzzy set is nothing but, actually it's a crisp set, because you may understand for this example S of A is a crisp set. Next, alpha cut or alpha level set. What is meant by alpha cut of a fuzzy set? Nothing but it is a set, the sort of x small belongs to cap, the set of all x small x belongs to capital X such that mu of x greater than or equal to alpha. Next, strong alpha cut. Nothing but it is also a set x belongs to capital X such that mu of x greater than alpha. So what is the difference between alpha cut and strong alpha cut? The membership value greater than or equal to alpha in alpha cut, but in strong alpha cut membership value should be greater than alpha. For example, let let us assume that the fuzzy set A equal to small a comma 0.2, small b comma 0, small c comma 1, small d comma 0.8, small e comma 0.5. For example, if you assume alpha equal to 0.2, what is 0.2 cut off the fuzzy set A? Nothing but small a, c, d, e, because these four elements having membership value greater than 0.2. Okay. Similarly, how to find strong alpha cut? For example, we have taken alpha equal to 0.2 again. If we find a 0.2 plus, what are the elements will come? Only c, d, e, because these three elements having greater than 0.2. Okay. Yeah, another very important, both alpha cut and also strong alpha cut, both are crisp sets. Okay. Next, height of a fuzzy set. The height of a fuzzy set is nothing but it is defined as supremum of the membership value. That is largest membership value. A fuzzy set is said to be normal, the height is 1. If suppose the height is less than 1, we call the fuzzy set is subnormal. Let us understand through this example. This is the fuzzy set A equal to a comma 0.2, b comma 0, c comma 1, d comma 0.8, e comma 0.5. What is the height of this fuzzy set A? We see all the membership value. What is the supremum or highest value is 1. Okay, so height is 1, so that this fuzzy set is normal. Okay. Next, let us see basic operations. First, union of two fuzzy sets. Nothing but a new fuzzy set whose membership value mu a union b of x equal to maximum of mu of x comma mu b of x. For example, we have taken the two fuzzy sets a and b. Okay, how to find a union b? So it is nothing but a and b of x. How to find a membership value of a and b is nothing but we have to take maximum of a and b. Okay, so in that way, if you see the element a, here is 0.3, here is 0.6. So what is the maximum? 0.6. Similarly, for the element small b, in a and b both are having same membership value 0.5. So the maximum is 0.5. Then for the element c, here membership value 0.9, here 0. So maximum is 0.9. And for the element d, here membership value 1, here 0.8. So maximum is 1. And the last one, the element E having membership value 0.7, here 0.2. So maximum is 0.7. So in this way, we can able to find out the union of two fuzzy sets. Next operation, intersection of two fuzzy sets. What is intersection of two fuzzy sets? Nothing but it is also a new fuzzy set whose membership value mu a intersection b of x equal to minimum of mu of x and mu b of x. So we have taken the same fuzzy sets a and b. Now we find a intersection b, means that intersection of two fuzzy sets. How to find? We have to choose each and every value the minimum. Yeah, see that in this example, for the element small a, here 0.3, here 0.6. So what is the minimum? 0.3. Similarly, for the element b, 0.5, 0.5. So minimum 0.5. For the element c, here 0.9, here 0. So minimum is 0. For the element d, here membership value 1, here 0.8. So minimum is 0.8. For the element e, 0.7, 0.2. So minimum is 0.2. So in that way, we can able to find out the intersection of two fuzzy sets. The last one, operation complement of a fuzzy set. So complement of a fuzzy set is nothing but a new fuzzy set whose membership value mu a bar of x equal to 1 minus mu of x. For example, we have taken the fuzzy set a equal to small a comma 0.3, b comma 0.5, c comma 0.9, d comma 1, e comma 0.7. how to find A bar, I mean complement of A, the fuzzy set A? Nothing but we have to find out 1 minus 0.3, nothing but 0.7. Similarly, 1 minus 0.5, nothing but 0.5. For the element C, 1 minus 0.9, so 0.1. For the element D, 1 minus 1, 0. For the element E, 1 minus 0.7, 1, that is 0.3. So, in this way, we can able to find out the complement of the fuzzy set. So, in this module, what are the things we are discussed? What is crisp set? Then what is fuzzy set? What is the difference between crisp set and fuzzy set? Then some basic terminologies, especially support of a fuzzy set, alpha cut, strong alpha cut, height of the fuzzy set. Then the basic three operations: union of two fuzzy sets, intersection of two fuzzy sets, complement of two fuzzy sets. Okay, thank you.